Hi, I'm Dave Scott, founder of the Scott Automotive Marketing Group. And if you own an auto repair business and if you want to see big growth in the next year, you need to focus your business on two very important words. And those are near me, as in auto repair near me, mechanic near me. Here's why. Number one, if somebody's online searching for auto repair near me, they have a problem and they're looking for a solution and somebody close to them to take care of it right now. Number two, if that person is searching online for a mechanic near me, more than likely it's not one of your loyal customers. If it was, they'd be searching for you by name. Number three, if they're searching for transmission repair near me, more than likely it's not one of your competitors' customers, because if it was, they'd be searching for them by name. And number four, and this is one we're seeing quite a bit of, somebody from out of town enters the market, develops car problems, and doesn't know who to call. Either way, all of these represent huge growth opportunities for you in your auto repair business. If you want to see how we position auto repair shop owners in their market so that people find them first when they need them the most, hit the sign up button below and let's talk shop.